Hey, I'm Sofia, and this is my boyfriend Nicholas, and this is our first vlog.
We went to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina during Hurricane Isaias.
Yeah, we just got back, and
it was a very long road trip. It was only like 7 hours, but we made a lot of stops, so it was like 8 at the end, and there was a lot of traffic.
So this is our YouTube channel, and what we're gonna do is just vlogs and
challenges
and like pranks or whatever. So
we're both 17, so like this is gonna be really new to us, and like it's gonna be a little funny, but we're just doing this for like the fun of it.
Well, obviously we're dating, but we've been like dating for 4 years now, since like seventh grade.
And most people think we like aren't gonna last, but
I don't know. We're like best friends. So we're gonna like post once a week, or at least try to. Just vlogs.
It's gonna start off as not good content.
But yeah, and here's the vlog. It's not that rainy, but yeah. I don't know if you can hear, but it's like this really big wave. And
they're like taking everything right now. Oh shit!
Oh my god! That makes so much waves, and we're like walking in it. Like, look! Oh my god! Oh, that just got my shorts.
Sophia's short, so like this is really like.
Yeah, I'm 4'11", but hopefully you can hear it. And oh my god, the waves are like bigger. The waves are so big. Watch.
The waves literally just went on her waist right now.
I was holding the camera and then I literally almost dropped it. It looks so small on camera. Oh wow, the one in the back was so tall. Okay,
My butt has so much sand. Look at how big that wave was.
Look, this is where we're staying. It's nice.
Yeah, we chose to stay at Ocean Park because of COVID-19 reasons, so it's not really that many people there. But we have the top floor to ourselves.
Yeah, it's all there. Oh my god! Oh my god! That guy just fell! Oh my god! Oh my god! Nicholas just saved me! After the hurricane, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it is. It's actually pretty chill right now.
Yeah.
The waves went all the way back, so like it's like nothing ever happened.
Yeah, I'll show you. We're at Broadway at the beach right now, right?
Yeah, we're just looking for like souvenirs and clothes and some type of stuff. The huge.
And we're looking for bracelets that were matching
ones.
Because we're that type. Oh, there's bracelets right there.
Clingy ones.
Right, oh yeah, but right now we're near. Oh, that was so.
We're by Ron John's right now, the surf shop.
Yeah.
We're gonna give it a look to see what we can find.
We're going in there. Oh wait, is it closed?
Yeah,
Well, they're closed. See?
Yeah, even though the workers are literally there.
Right now there's a fountain, so it's like really loud.
What's it called? We're gonna go to Cookout later, and Cookout's like famous in like the southerner areas.
Yeah,
Like,
hopefully. I found a perfect store for Nicholas. Sparkles, every girl's dream. Let's go.
yeah, that's not happening.
Look, he got matching bracelets. Look.
Yeah, it's Gucci.
His is a little bit different because it has what's it called?
It's different because it has like the adjustable things.
Mine doesn't. And
Yeah, but it's
pretty cool.
and right now we're at Broadway at the beach, and like it's closing down right now because it's like getting really late. I think right now it's like
there wouldn't be a lot of people.
yeah, it's 10:07. Yeah, and right now we're gonna go meet up with our families so we can go to Cookout.
We're at, what is this called?
Krabby George Seafood Buffet.
Yeah,
And it's our last night at South Carolina.
I ate 3 plates of strawberries.
They're calling us for a pic.
And now I have to go take a picture, so bye. We are at, what's this store called, Nicholas?
Oh.
Okay, well, we're at this random store in Myrtle Beach looking for shirts and sweatshirts. And he's going, I don't know what he's doing. Anyways, I want a sweatshirt, but I have way too many. So should I get one?
She literally has 20 sweatshirts.
I like so many, but like I really want this tie-dye blue or green, or just the blue tie-dye. But I don't know which one, because I also want a shirt because I like shirts, but like, what should I get?
A shirt.
I don't know. Oh, look. There's a bunch of stuff. We're just looking.
We're just
You want to take it?
She's so short. Anyways, it's like almost like our. I think we have like an hour. No, not an hour left. Like gonna leave tomorrow. Go back to Virginia. It's gonna suck.
Yeah.
But we got like a lot of sunburns. Literally. I know. It's a blast. Yeah, it's pretty cool.